Stargate, Ubisoft, Sparkle. A white matrix picks a date, then fade.
And people say Rome wasn't built in a day.
Bloom transition.
The birds
Get the hell out of there.
because they know something's going down. Is he gonna die? No, it's a medium shot.
Pan.
Zoom in slow-mo means he's the target. Mysterious hooded man watches from a distance. Take a second to look awesome. Time to go walk in slow motion so you still look awesome. God just saw you and he's gonna shoot you, but don't mind him, just keep looking awesome. That shadow will take care of him. Wait!
God says stop, just kill him with your awesome. The other got hit by an arrow, so you're good.
All the Red Sea. Hopefully those gods have good armor. No, they don't. Maybe they do. They go. Now act like you didn't do it.
They're not buying it. Target comes out of his shelter. He's distracted by a feather. He's like, shoot me. He likes feathers. He looks up when he remembers.
Ooh, I love birds.
Not at the bird, and people die everywhere. People die. Target doesn't die. He's fine. Target sends horsemen to die.
Kill the horse, the rider falls down. Kill the rider falls down.
Target's still fine.
Target nods and some other gods that were hiding in pillars come out and then take their formation.
Then Target pulls out his sword, then goes to smell his sword.
Not sure why.
Mysterious hooded man joined by other hooded people.